the Holy Quran has been explained as a Kitabe Mubeen and Kitabe Maknoon. What does it mean, open book and covered book?
In fact, it has many phases. The first phase is regarding its teachings which are commonly understood by everybody. And in that sense, God has made the Quran easy to understand. Even an ordinary person without much knowledge can read the Quran, if he knows Arabic, of course. So he can read the Quran and understand the apparent message. It is very clear and is made repeatedly clear. The same subject is being discussed in a different way, of course, but for the ordinary reader, it's about the same. Everywhere in the Quran, so many times that it's impossible for one not to understand the apparent message. So this is a book which is open, Mubeen. But as far as the underlying profound philosophy of things is concerned, that requires a special gift from Allah. And it remains Maknoon until Allah makes it possible for someone to understand. And in this sense, another verse of the Quran says, وَمَا يَمَسُّهُ لَا يَمَسُّهُ إِلَّا الْمُطَهَّرُونَ. No one can touch this book except those who are made pure by God. While apparently you can touch the book, but this is the meaning of Maknoon. The meanings, the underlying meanings would remain elusive to ordinary people, except to those whom Allah gives ability to understand these things. And that is related to the taqwa of the person. Mutahharun means only those are granted ability to understand by God who are made pure. Without purity you can't understand. These are the different aspects which I want to make clear to you in answer to your question.
Jazakum.
Clear?
Yes, thank you. Jazakum.
Aisha, have you got a question now? Please.
Just Arabic translation.
He knows?
No, Arabic translation.
Oh, I'm sorry. I always tend to forget this. Yes.